Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Are you feeling happy today? What are you doing there? Are you playing? Okay, shall we have some fun? Do you love to learn? Okay, see this? We are going to learn sounds of A. Can you say this? Sounds of A. You know the letter A, isn't it? You know the letter A. Here are some words with letter A. See, all these words are having letter A in the middle. Okay. Have you seen this? All these words are having letter A in the middle. Okay. The sounds of A is different in these words. In all of these words, letter A is there, but the sounds of A is different in these words. Okay. The sounds of A is different in all of these words. Okay. Shall we study that? B-A-R. What is this? Bar. C-A-R. Car. F-A-R. Far. J-A-R. Jar. Say this. In all these words, letter A is there. And what is the sound of A here? Bar, car, far, jar. What is the sound of A here? A sound, isn't it? Shall we see it once again? Bar. What is the sound of A? A. Okay. Car. What is the sound of A here? A. Okay. Car. A sound. Far. What about the sound here? Far. A sound. Jar. A sound. So, the sounds of A is different in all these words. The sound of A in the first line is A sound. Okay. Did you understand? So, I'll repeat once again. Bar, car, far, jar. And the sound is A sound. Okay. Now see this. We are going to see the second line. Here are two words in the second line. W-A-R. War. Okay. War. W-A-S. Was. Okay. Was. So here are two words. War. Was. Now what is the sound of A here? Here we have learned that the sound of A is A. Okay. Bar, car, far, jar. The sound is A. What about this? War, was. What is the sound of A here? A sound. Okay. W-A-R. War. W-A-S. Was. Okay. So, we have learned these two lines. And now, see this. We are going to do the third line. B-A-Y. Bay. Okay. D-A-Y. Day. Repeat after me. D-A-Y. Day. H-A-Y. Hay. Okay. Hay. L-A-Y. Lay. M-A-Y. May. P-A-Y. Pay. R-A-Y. Ray. S-A-Y. Say. W-A-Y. Way. So, can you tell me what is the sound of A in these 9 words? A sound. Bay, day, hay, lay, may, pay, ray, say, way. Okay, what is the sound here? A sound. Shall we repeat this once again? Say this. Bar, car, far, jar. What is the sound here? A sound. Repeat it again. A sound. Once again. A sound. Okay. Now, war, was. What is the sound here? War, was. Yes, a sound. Okay, war, was, a sound. Now, bay, day, hay, lay. Yes, children, repeat after me. Lay, may, pay, ray, say, way. Okay, and what is the sound here? A sound. So, the sound here is A sound, here it is O sound, and here it is A sound. Okay, did you understand? Okay, shall we do an activity now? Are you ready to do an activity? Okay, here we go with our activity. So children, we are going to do an activity. See this, vowel A is here. Okay, vowel A is here and some letters are also given on these cards. So what we have to do is, we have to make some words using the vowel A. Okay, so vowel A is here and what we have to do is, we have to select some letters from these cards and make some words. Okay, so the first word is bar and the spelling is B-A-R. How can we make this word? See, B is here. B-A-R. So, the first word we made with vowel A is bar. B-A-R. Bar. Okay. Now, the second word is car. So, vowel A is here and we are making the word car. See this? C-A-R. So, what is the word? Car. C-A-R. Now, the third word is far. So, we are making the third word far. F-A-R. Okay. F-A-R. Now, the next word is jar. So, we have to make the next word jar and vowel A is here. What is the spelling of jar? J-A-R. So, J-A-R. Okay, got it. So, J-A-R. The spelling of jar is J-A-R. Jar. Now, some more cards are here for you. See this. So, vowel A is here and some more letters are here. The next word we have to make is war. W-A-R. War. So, see this. W-A-R. War. Can you see this? W-A-R. War. Okay. Now the next word is was. See this? The next word is was. W-A-S. Was. W-A-S. Was. So, we have to make another word bay. B-A-Y. B-A-Y. See this? B-A and Y. Have you seen this? Bay. B-A-Y. Now the next word is day. The next word we have to make is day and the spelling is D-A-Y. Okay. D-A-Y. Can you say this? Now the next word is hay. H-A-Y. So where is H? Okay, see this? The next word is H A Y. Hey. Okay. Now the next word is lay. L A Y. See this? L A Y. Okay. And May. M A Y. Okay. M A Y. May. And the next word is pay. P A Y. P A Y. Okay. Is it clear for you children? P A Y. Now the next word is ray. R A Y. R A Y. Say this. R A Y. Okay. Now the next word is say. S A Y. S A Y. Okay. And the last word is way. W A Y. W A Y. Okay. So we have seen all these words are made with vowel A. Okay. W A Y. Is it clear for you children? Okay, so what you have to do is you have to make cards like this and make words like this. Okay.
Udaya Vidya